All right, we are reviewing today the Yemo USB-C hub. This is a Yemo 11-in-1 Type-C adapter. Now, this is important because my work decided to just upgrade our laptops, and when they did, all of our laptops no longer have a VGA port on it. And unfortunately, I have extra monitors. I use 3 additional monitors, and I need that VGA port. Without that VGA port, I got to figure out a different solution. Hey, cool, look at that. We've got a special Amazon offer here. We'll take a look at that later. But this is the port itself. It's simple. There's not a lot to it. I tried to dress it up, it looks, by including a carrying case, which I'm never going to use because this is going to be permanently mounted at my desk. And then your instruction book as well. I may read through this if I have trouble, but honestly, these are pretty intuitive devices. Plug it in via USB-C. You've got a USB-C out. You've got an HDMI out. You've got a USB 2.0 out. You've got a headphone jack. You've got your VGA. You've got your Ethernet, micro SD adapter. Here's another USB 2.0 and then 2 USB 3.0 ports. Pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. So I've got a USB-C port, but I do not have the VGA port on my new laptop. That's the whole reason why I've got this thing. I'm going to plug it in. I know I have my monitors do not have HDMI. I know that would be preferable, but I'm not going to be using HDMI because I don't have HDMI. I only have VGA and DVI on them. They are older monitors, so this is going to be a super easy plug in and we're good to go. There is likely going to be some drivers that auto install whenever I load it or whenever I plug it in. That's fine. Make sure to just let Windows do its thing whenever that happens. If I have any issues, I will make a note down below. But if you guys have any problems, make sure to make comments, and I'm happy to hop on and maybe do a little bit of tech support for you to help you get it going. In the meantime, I will after I get a chance to get it hooked up and show you how easy it is to use, I will write a detailed review for it, so that way you can check that out on Amazon. Any questions, comments, make sure to ask. I will get to them as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.